Keeping your coach clean is real easy and convenient with the Dirt Devil Central Vacuum System. It'll come with everything you need from your hose to your tools. Very simple to use. Just take your hose, insert it into the outlet. Once you plug it in, it'll automatically come on. Another convenient way to use the Dirt Devil vacuum system, you don't have to use the hose. If you have a small area that you want to just sweep up, you can use the toe kick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the debris towards the vent and then go ahead and turn on my foot pedal here as I just push the debris towards it. Your central vacuum system is going to be located outside in your basement storage. It can be any one of the compartments, driver's side, passenger side. On this Grand Tour, it's going to be on the first compartment. As you'll see, you'll have all your hoses and extensions you need. You can put them inside the coach, outside the coach, wherever it's convenient for you. Here's the actual unit where all of the debris gets collected into. You'll have to go ahead and insert the supplied bag onto your Dirt Devil vacuum before you use it. Go ahead and put the bag on, close the lid, and now your system's ready to be used. Here's an exterior port, which is convenient. This port here is to connect your hose to it, and you can vacuum out your exterior compartments, or even use it to vacuum your vehicle if you like to.